Chocolate is loved worldwide, but few have seen the long, precise journey from cocoa bean to chocolate bar. The process begins in tropical regions where cocoa trees grow naturally under warm, humid conditions. Ripe cocoa pods are carefully harvested by hand to protect both the fruit and the tree. Each pod is split open, revealing cocoa beans surrounded by a sweet, sticky white pulp. The beans and pulp are placed into fermentation boxes, where natural microbes begin an essential transformation. Over several days, fermentation develops deep flavors while the beans darken and lose bitterness. After fermentation, the beans are spread out and dried under the sun to reduce moisture. As they dry, the beans harden and become stable for long-distance transport. Once dried, cocoa beans are packed into sacks and shipped to chocolate factories around the world. At the factory, sacks of cocoa beans are unloaded and moved into clean processing areas. The beans are poured into hoppers and fed into machines that remove dust and debris. Cleaned beans enter large roasting drums where heat unlocks their signature chocolate aroma. Inside the roasters, beans tumble continuously to ensure even roasting. Temperature and time are carefully controlled to achieve the desired flavor profile. Freshly roasted beans exit the roaster, now rich brown and fragrant. Next, the beans are cracked open to separate the outer shells from the inner cocoa nibs. Airflow systems remove the lighter shells, leaving behind pure cocoa nibs. These nibs are the heart of chocolate and are collected for grinding. The nibs are fed into powerful grinders where heat and pressure turn them into cocoa liquor. Despite the name, cocoa liquor contains no alcohol, only pure cocoa solids and cocoa butter. The warm, glossy cocoa liquor flows through pipes into mixing tanks. Inside the mixers, the liquor is gently stirred to maintain consistency. Sugar is added to balance the natural bitterness of cocoa. For milk chocolate, milk powder is also blended into the mixture. The ingredients combine into a thick, coarse chocolate mass. This mass passes through refining rollers that grind particles extremely fine. As particle size reduces, the chocolate becomes smoother on the tongue. Refined chocolate is collected and prepared for the next critical stage. The chocolate enters conching machines where it is kneaded for hours or even days. Conching removes unwanted acidity and further develops flavor and texture. Temperature and airflow are adjusted to achieve smoothness and aroma. Once conching is complete, the chocolate flows into tempering machines. Tempering carefully cools and reheats the chocolate to stabilize cocoa butter crystals. Proper tempering gives chocolate its shine, snap, and resistance to melting. Perfectly tempered chocolate flows evenly, smooth, and glossy. The liquid chocolate is poured into molds shaped like bars or other forms. Gentle vibrations remove trapped air bubbles and level the surface. Filled molds move through cooling tunnels where the chocolate slowly hardens. As it cools, the chocolate contracts slightly, releasing easily from the molds. Solid chocolate bars emerge with sharp edges and a glossy finish. Finally, the bars are wrapped, sealed, and packed for distribution. From cocoa bean to chocolate bar, this careful process delivers one of the world's most beloved foods.